Alright. Now, as I was saying, in your circle geometry, you can have 2 or 3 theorems mixed up together and presented for you as a question. Now, in this scenario, what do you do? I already tell you the scopes of how you can identify those of your theorems. I tell you that whenever you are seeing a chord inside circle geometry, let you or be conscious that you must have this in your mind. What are those things? Number 1, it's likely that there is theorem 2. It's likely that there is theorem 3. Now, I cannot be taking you back and be telling you the definition of them. When you watch all these videos from the beginning, I've given you the definitions for all of them. Now, it is less for you to master all these theorems on your head. Once the theorems are mastered, you don't have any problem. Now, I am seeing my number 1 question. I can see chord in this question. This is a chord. I can see 4 quadrilaterals in this question. Now, what will come to my mind is this. In my number 1, I am only seeing only theorem 5. Look at my theorem 5 here. This is it here. So this is only consisting of theorem 5. So in this place now, I have no problem. Meaning that I will only solve number 1 using my theorem 5. But if you come to your number 2 question, you will see that this is containing more than theorem 5. I can see a 4 quadrilateral shape here, telling me that theorem 5 is present. I can see an angle at the center of my circle here, telling me that theorem 2 can be present in this question. I'm not sure yet, but it's very likely that theorem 2 is present. If I now look at it very well, I'm having a chord, but there is no angle that this chord is producing, meaning that my theorem 3 is absent. So definitely, what I am having here is theorem 2 and theorem 5 for my number 2. Now let's solve. Let's solve this. Number 1. What will be my y? According to my definition or my theorem of theorem 5, it says that the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary or as supplementary, that is equal to 180. That is the law I'm applying to my example number 1. This is a quadrilateral shape. 85 and y are oppositely direct to one another. So meaning that I can say 85 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? My reason is simply supplementary angles. That is my reason. Supplementary angles. Now, in this place, solve for my y. Collect the like times. Y is going to give me 180 degrees minus 85 degrees. And what will I get? 180 minus 85. This will give me 7. This will give me 10. 5. 17 minus 8 will give me 9. So this implies that my y is equal to 95 degrees. Here comes the end of y. The next one is to find my x. I will apply the same method. 110 and x are oppositely direct to one another. So meaning that I can also make use of theorem 5 to solve this. This implies that 110 degrees plus x will be equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? Supplementary angles. Now, let me solve for my x. This implies that my x will be equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So my x will give me what? 180 minus 110. I'm going to get 70 degrees. This implies that my x is equal to 70 degrees, while my y is equal to 95 degrees. 95 degrees. And boom, number 1 question is solved. Are you saying it? So, join me tomorrow for question number 2. Thank you.